Many say the Bihar elections was just a matter of luck and he missed it by a sheer whisker. But now he's in Kolkata. He's met Mamata Banerjee, the chief minister, and he's joined hands with her to fight the BJP unitedly. Joining me now is Tejashwi Yadav. He needs no introduction. So the first question, you've come to Bengal. No doubt there are Bihari voters in Bengal. You appeal to them. What is your appeal to them?
See, first of all, as you know, we just came from a Bihar election, and this is the second election during the Corona period. And this is a very crucial and important election. And I met Mamta ji today, and we have given full support, unconditional support to TMC. Fight is between BJP and Mamta ji, basically, if you'll see. And if you see BJP government, NDA government in Bihar, they are double engine government, what they call. In Central and in Bihar, they have the same government. Whatever they had promised, they didn't deliver. Whether it is about the special status about the Bihar, special packages about Bihar, or it is about the employment. They had promised during the election, if you see, they promised that they will create a job, around 20 lakh, and they will give jobs to people. But in Bihar, they didn't even do anything. If you see the budget of the Bihar, it wasn't mentioned anything about it. So what we are trying to do, our ideology of secularism, and Bengal has own identity in this country. They have their language, they have their संस्कृति सभ्यता एंड ये कोई चुनाव जो है इट्स नॉट अबाउट जस्ट फाइटिंग द इलेक्शन इट्स अबाउट आप जो हैं जो आपकी विचारधारा है मेन प्रायोरिटी ऑफ आरजेडी इज टू stop communal forces coming to the power. And what we are trying to do is extending support to TMC. We are similar light-minded parties and we want to fight together. Whatever help Mamta ji will require, I'll be there for everything.
So before I come to the seats and all of those things, double engine sarkar ki you made that reference to, and the BJP here says double engine sarkar means everything will get done in Bengal too. So do you think this is just an election stunt, this double engine sarkar that they seem to be using in states?
Exactly. In Bihar, if you see, there is a alliance partner, JDU of BJP, the part of the NDA, and he's the chief minister. Third number party. Actually, it is fourth number party, but the election commission, on record, if you see, they are third number party. Nitish ji had around 2015 Bihar assembly election, he had said that BJP का full form, BJP का मतलब है बड़का झूठा party. I didn't say it. His alliance partner who is the chief minister, जिसके अनुकंपा पे हैं, वही बात ये कह रहे हैं. तो BJP whatever they will promise, they will never deliver. Whether it is about 15 lakh rupees, whether it is about if you see price rise in diesel, petrol, we haven't seen anything like that before. पहले इनको महंगाई जो है डाइन नज़र आती थी, अब भौचाई नज़र आ रही है. और टेल मी वन थिंग, हु विल बी द दूल्हा ऑफ बीजेपी, हु विल बी द चीफ मिनिस्टर कैंडिडेट? देयर इज नो वन एंड नो वन इज केपेबल. दे डोंट हैव एनी एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हैंडलिंग द गवर्नमेंट. नेम एनीवन हु हैज अ एक्सपीरियंस मोर देन ममता जी. नरेंद्र मोदी जी इज नॉट गोइंग टू बिकम अ चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ बंगाल. And people have seen him since 7 years. What he did for our country, nothing. GDP, see the economy, see the unemployment, see the garibi, see the farmers' issue. All the industry is getting shut.
So now one question is that seats. Now obviously there are considerable amount of Bihari voters. You appeal to them to side with Mamata Banerjee, to vote for her. But in terms of seats, are you expecting anything from the Trinamool Congress? क्या आपने कोई सीट की बात हुई है कि हमको इतना सीट दीजिए या ऐसा कुछ बातचीत? Have you talked about seats at all?
See, obviously there are a chunk of voters from Bihar. If you see the lockdown period, most of the laborers, they suffered. What central people, the government, what they did and what Bihar government they did. Nothing. But we saw Mamata Banerjee is running out of the street. She was doing many things for them. What about the seat? If Mamata ji is fighting, we are fighting. What she also quoted today also, if Tejasvi is there, we are there. And we are fighting all together. The main, it's not about the seat, but obviously every party, they want to expand. This is what we are trying to also do. At one time, we were the national party also, and what we are trying to do in Assam or in coming Tamil Nadu and Kerala also, we have a cadre, we are fighting over there. But people of Bengal, and if you see my cadre of Bengal party people, obviously they want to fight. But what is more important? What is your priority? If we'll fight somehow, if we're not gonna, it might we gonna support the communal forces, cutting the votes. So we don't want to be a vote katua party. We want to give strength who can fight with BJP. And obviously, if Mamata ji is there, she's gonna take care. So obviously, it's not just about the seats. This election is more about saving our democracy, saving our constitution.
So last question. Many say in Congress, in the Bihar elections today, Tejasvi Yadav would have been Chief Minister of Bihar had the Congress not lost the number of seats it lost in Bihar. Here also the Congress is, and you still have that alliance in spite of that with the Congress and the left in Bihar. Here the Congress and the left are also fighting Mamata Banerjee. In that situation, you've come and also managed to strike a deal with Mamata Banerjee and say you've supported her. How does this work out? क्योंकि सवाल तो लोग करेंगे ना कि बिहार में गठबंधन यहाँ पे कैसे नहीं. So that question, how do you address?
See, first of all, you need to understand, it's not a Bihar election. It's a Bengal election. Issue of Bihar is different and issue of Bengal is different. Issue of Kerala is different. BJP, they came into the power. All nations, they know how they came into the power in Bihar. They came from a back door. We are not, we didn't accept it, the defeat. But how they manipulated, oh, that will be a different story, so I won't be going to there. But they came from a back door, their government. It's a Bengal election. Obviously, we were the part, and we are still the part of Congress and left in Bihar. And in central election, we always fought with Congress, and we are there in their alliance partner, and we were in the government in UPA 1 also. But the question is, issue is different, agenda is different. In Kerala, left and Congress are fighting with each other. In Bengal, they're together. Because Kerala issue, it's a state-to-state election. And obviously, what we've been trying, whoever is more stronger, whoever can defeat BJP, and who can stop communal forces coming to the power of Bengal, the land of Bengal, we have to extend our support. It's not just about election. As I said earlier, it's to save our Sanskriti, Sabhyata, language, Bhaichara, Loktantra, Sanvidhan. It's our duty. We have not compromised, never compromised with the communal forces, and we don't want to give any benefit to those forces who follows Godse, not Gandhiji. So what we are trying to do, in whatever strength we have, and wherever TMC needs me, I'll be there for the campaign. That is unconditional support.
So unconditional support is what Mamata Banerjee has from Tejasvi Yadav. It's going to be an interesting election, but clearly in Bengal, Tejasvi Yadav feels that Mamata Banerjee is the force that can fight the BJP, and hence, keeping the local situation in mind, he says he's joining hands with her. In Kolkata, with camera person Aniruddha Tripathi, Saurabh Gupta, NDTV.